How to move your crypto from Coinbase to Kraken account. First of all, go ahead and copy your Kraken wallet address and come back to Coinbase. Once you're back to Coinbase, what you need to do is find home screen and then tap on transfer. You can see it on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and tap on transfer, then tap on send crypto. Once you tap on send crypto, now you can see this option of screen code. You can just go ahead and tap on this little icon. Once you tap on it, you can see the screen code detector will open up. Go ahead and scan the code, or else you can individually write down your email address connected to your Kraken account, or else simply go ahead and put the address over here. Once you do this, just go ahead and enter your details, or else you will be getting a OTP code. Go ahead and authenticate the OTP code, and then you can move the cryptos from your Coinbase to your Kraken account quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.